day for the Bitcoin price. Dear ladies and gentlemen, yes, this is a very important video, a video which I actually didn't plan doing. On Bitcoin, on cryptocurrencies, I literally went out with my surfboard here to watch the sunset on this very beautiful location, but you know me, right? I made a break, I looked into my phone and I was like, man, there's one thing I need to talk about right now. Yes, partially, I will talk about my 40 million US dollar long positions. Are they still open? What are my price targets? What are my expectations for them right now? But more importantly, there's one important message I need to get out there. I need you to listen very, very careful. And if you are missing out on that, this might be one of the most expensive decisions in your life. Let's talk about that. And guys, you know it. I am in the crypto space for like 8 years or longer, right? And I have survived a few bear markets, a few bull markets. And I have pretty much, with very, very easy tools, mastered it so far. I did some mistakes. Yes, even just recently I made a mistake. I will talk about that. But overall, it's a very, very simple thing. And I am not really going to focus here on the chart, on the immediate short term, on this really annoying pattern, which yes, it broke out, and if you traded it, you are basically still slightly profitable. But as you can see, it was kind of a forced breakout. If you are feeling insecure with that one, just close this trade in a slight profit. But as it seems, a new resistance has emerged here. It's like an upward sloping channel. It's just freaking boring, guys. Seriously, this more looks now like a bear flag, right? So if you feel insecure, take profits from this trade. That's all I'm saying for the immediate short term. But quickly, let me go here into my trades, right? I mean, you see the Bitcoin trade, 60 Bitcoin in a profit, 5 million US dollars, 10 million US dollars in realized profits. Solana trade, $270,000 in profits. XRP trade, maybe I deserve that, 120,000 US dollars in a loss. The short-term Ethereum trade, 93,000 US dollars in a profit. Well, one thing I wanted to talk about, dear ladies and gentlemen, and by the way, in here on the tip of a front on the Palm in Dubai, and there's the old villa which I lived in. I think someone bought it and is refurbishing it right now. Just I like to come back sometimes and indulge in these amazing memories from back in the days. Anyways, let's talk about Bitcoin. If you are following me on Twitter, it's that video with like 60-70 million views where I'm doing this villa round trip. It's that one. Now it looks very different. Anyways, what you can see here, and that is just one thing, it's the monthly chart on Bitcoin, and you can see that we are in every single bull market breaking horizontal resistance, nothing new. But it's important to recognize there are two phases. There's one phase where we are basically consolidating to the upside on the monthly, but there's another phase where breaking this upward sloping channel and going into this last parabola for Bitcoin. You can see the same thing in the second bull market for Bitcoin, the same thing in the third bull market for Bitcoin. What I do want to mention here to you is, in this bull market, yes, we broke the horizontal resistance, but we never broke the chart, the upward sloping channel to the upside. We never broke it. Indicating, at least, that's what I want to say, indicating that the last phase of the bull market has not started yet. Another one is here. You can see the bull markets are usually always round about 150 weeks long, right? That's 3 years. 3 years bull, 1 year bear. It's every time the same. You can see it right here, right there, right there. And after 80%, the last 20% is basically the best part. The question is the best part, you can see it here. The last 20% is the best part just in front of us? Question mark? Almost looks like it. Usually towards the end of these 80% bull markets, we are getting a big correction before this parabola is in fact starting. Is this the case this time? If it is, it doesn't mean that this correction is over, but it means the best is yet to come, right? Not time-wise, but percentage gain-wise. Same thing you can see here, the M2 money supply. It just increased, at least macroeconomically, laying down that we have fuel to push this market for one last time towards the upside. And don't get me wrong, I am not telling you we have another year of upwards movement. There is another full year of bull market ahead of us. No, that's not what I'm saying. What I am telling you is, percentage-wise, the best is yet to come. It might be just a few weeks left. That's what I'm telling you. For a long time, I think this bull market most likely is going to end somewhere in Q2 2025. But it also means the best is yet to come. Share this video with your friend. Let me know what you think about that. And of course, if you want to be trading as well, as I am also trading over on Bybit or on Bitunix from wherever you want, or on Levex where I'm sharing my live trades, all of these links and the pinned comment down below and in the video description. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye.